Hey everybody, it's Ryan from eWebJelly, and I'm here to talk about really quick new website we built for FURS Vegas VR. They are a virtual reality experience here in Las Vegas, located at the Boulevard Mall, not too far from the Las Vegas Strip. So here's our site we built for them, complete with a video, some images, and a way to book your experience with them. So just some quick tips on creating a great website, especially if you work with us. You want to have a call to action, a book now link, telling people to book an appointment or an experience so that they have a chance to engage and check out the VR. And of course, people can also take a look at where they're located, and the video helps to show kind of what the experience looks like. So again, a great website needs engagement, it needs a call to action, it needs something to get people interested in what you're offering. So really look at doing some video, having a strong call to action. If you need our help, you can contact us at ewebjelly.com or just shoot me a message through YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on website development. Thanks, and have a good day.